What's up, guys? It's Treem Bean and I'm Zach with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make my rose coconut sugar scrub. This scrub is so amazing, guys. It makes your skin feel so soft and smooth, and it smells so good. It's such a relaxing scrub. So if you guys want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is just make sure your work area is nice and clean. So I'm going to go in with these Lysol wipes and just wipe down the area that I'm going to be working in and make sure everything is just nice and sanitized so I can start making my scrubs. Then I'm going to put on my gloves. Whenever you are making products for other people, just make sure you just take the necessary precautions and just, put on your gloves and make sure your hands are clean and washed before you start touching any of the products. There we go. So I have my little styrofoam bowl here, and I'm just going to go and take my sugar, pure sugar cane you want to use, okay? And I'm just going to just pour that right into my bowl. Just like that. I am not going to measure anything out. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just grab my Himalayan pink salt and just pour that right into the mixture as well. And I'm not gonna measure this out either. I'm just gonna eyeball it. So then you just want to mix all the dry ingredients together, just like I'm doing here. And it just looks so pretty. Look at that combination together. It just looks so pretty. Just want to just get all the clumps out of the sugar. You don't want any clumps in your sugar. Just make sure everything is smooth and nice. Okay, so now that we have the dry ingredients in the bowl, we're going to start putting in our wet ingredients. You're going to start putting in your oils. You can use any oils of your choice. Since I am making a rose sugar scrub, I am going to be putting in some of this rose oil right here. And you just want to put just like a generous amount. So I'm going to put about that much. And then I am going to go in and put a little vitamin E in my scrub. And then you want to go and put the main oil into your scrub. Right here, I'm just using coconut oil because it's very good for your skin. It's very moisturizing. Like I said, you can use any oil that you like, whether it be grapeseed oil, olive oil, almond oil. Just keep in mind that if you are making this scrub to sell or to give to anybody, you might not want to use almond oil because you don't know if they might be allergic to that. So just be very mindful about that when making these scrubs. So here you just see me going in and adding my coconut oil a few times. I'm just trying to get this to the consistency that I want right now. It's just looking very dry. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I find the consistency that I want. Sorry if I'm whispering, guys. I just put Zion down for his nap and I really don't want him to wake up because I'm trying to finish making this video. So yeah. So I think this is a good consistency right here. It's not too dry, not too wet. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is take my pigments and I'm going to take this really pink cute color right here, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit into the scrub. You do not need a lot, guys. These pigments are very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And I'm just going to mix them up right here and see what color it comes out. I'm not trying to go for a really pink color because it's supposed to be a really natural rose scrub. So I think that color will do right there. And then I'm gonna go in and put my rose petals in. These are dry rose petals, guys. I got these off of Amazon, so I will leave the link in the description below of where you can get these as well. So I think that is good. Look at that. It is so pretty. You just want to mix it all in there. Make sure all the dry flowers are into the scrub. And oh my god, look, it just smells so amazing. You can add any essential oils that you would like in here. Since it is the rose scrub, I did add some rose essential oil to mine. And the rose essential oil just is so calming, it's so relaxing. It helps with anxiety and depression. Yes, it has really good benefits for you. So I think this is the end result right here. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's so pretty. Look at the rose petals in there. So now I'm just gonna take my little jar. You can use any jar of your choice, any plastic jar, any glass jar you can use, but just be mindful that a lot of people do keep their scrubs in the bathroom, so you do not want them to knock it over and for the scrub to break. So I just chose to use this plastic jar, and I'm just gonna go in and fill up my jar just like that. Okay, so look at that. It looks so pretty. The consistency is so nice. It's not too dry, not too wet. It looks amazing and it smells even better. So just for picture purposes, I am just going to go in and put some more dry rose petals right on the top, just so I can take a pretty little picture for you guys for the thumbnail. So there we go. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how cute this looks. So this is how I do my rose sugar scrub, guys. You can find this product on my online store at getdivinebeauty.com. The link will be in the bio. So see you later, guys. Thank you for watching.